Hey, welcome back to the homestead. Just want to start out, share that beautiful sunset with you guys. It's the first week after New Year's. Just giving you some updates of what's been going on around here. We got our first rain of the season a week ago today. So that was really good. It was a lot. It was probably 2 or 3 inches. So we got a nice soak over here. Really good for all the plants and trees and everything. So that was great. Yeah, it had been really dry fall, so that was much needed and enjoyed and appreciated. So it hasn't been too much because it was wet after that, but get you up to speed on some things. First things first, real quick, we got past 100 subscribers, so really happy about that. Thanks for everybody who subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please hit the button now, and while you're at it, give a big thumbs up. And remember to hit the bell. There's a bell next to the subscribe button. That gets you an email notification anytime a new video comes up. So really pumped up on that. And we're gonna have a celebration soon, a cookout to celebrate 100 subscribers. We finally got there. But in the meantime, I'll show you what's in progress. This is the outdoor fire pit and outdoor cooking area in progress. So you may have seen in past videos, this was prepared by digging out that bank and just leveling this out. And now at this point, I've gone ahead and hired a crew to come do this because I just don't have time. The days are short and it's really not my expertise either. I was thinking about giving it a try, but this kind of stonework I've never done before, and it would have been fun to try, but these guys are pros and they're gonna make it look much better than I would have made it look. So yeah, you can see this is just a day's worth of work for them. So this would have taken me a lot of days, so that's just looking really good. People will be able to sit on that wall. We'll also put chairs out. See, they got the mortar there, the rebar running through it, so it's really good quality work. So I'm very happy with this. All of these rocks I was able to gather over the last year and a half or so. I mean, before we even moved in here, because there was a lot of there was debris clearing and just a lot of work done up in the mountains near here, and the county dumps these rocks off for the general public to grab, and they go so quick. So I had to be like on alert, and as they would dump them, I would go over and load up a truckload or a van load at a time, but they would be gone by the end of the day because these are perfect size stones for this type of stuff. So yeah, they're gonna put another retaining down here, so everything's held in place and doesn't wash out. But yeah, pretty stoked on that. That's gonna be the fire pit area and outdoor cookout kind of grilling barbecue area. So super stoked on that. I'll see if I can drop up what it looked like before, if I can go back in the archives and find that. I'm not sure if I will or not. But yeah, that's one day of work. I'll do another update on this tomorrow. Not sure if that'll be a separate video or not, but yeah, other than that, things been great around here. We still at war with the gophers. We eliminated 7 gophers in the last few days. They're just endless. So between last spring and now, we've eliminated probably close to 50 now, and there's no end in sight, but I do think there is the end in sight. I think we're really close to just having our last gopher dealt with. But yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks for checking the video out. We do have big things coming up, like once again, the celebration 100 subscriber cookout video and celebration that's coming up. We're gonna be picking up more chickens, more chicks to add to the flock. We're gonna be picking up more bare root trees to add to the orchard. So that's definitely a few things I'm excited about coming up. So yeah, keep an eye on the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.